Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this really easy tutorial and it is for my chunky thermal headband. You will need a size 5 yarn, a 7mm crochet hook, a measuring tape. I got this one on Amazon and it came with 3 of these. Really inexpensive, you guys. I will leave the link in the description box below in case you want to use it. And then you will need a yarn needle and some scissors. Okay, so we're gonna start by making our slip knot, and we're going to make 9 chains, and this is going to be the width of our headband. If you want it wider or not too wide, just make less or more chains. But for this one I did 9, and I'm going to slip stitch on our second chain from the hook. So now we're going to slip stitch all the way across, and you should have 8 stitches at the end of this row. Okay, so here it is. So now for row 2, we're going to chain 1 and turn our work, and we're going to slip stitch on the back loop only, you guys. So it's kind of tricky on the first stitch right here because the yarn kind of gets in the way, but it's right here. It's the back loop right there. So once you find the back loop, we are going to make a slip stitch in the back loop only. Okay, and we're going to repeat that all the way across. Slip stitch in the back loop only. And again, you should have 8 stitches at the end of the row. If you don't, then you probably missed a stitch and you have to go back and see what you missed. So always count your stitches. And it's that simple, you guys. So for now on, until your project measures 19 inches long, you are going to repeat the same stitch. So we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and make a slip stitch in the back loop only, all the way across. Okay, so here's my finished headband here, and it should measure 19 inches long. Again, this is a really stretchy stitch, so I would recommend if you want to make it smaller, depending on the size of your head, measure your circumference of your head and then subtract 3 inches. So I did my 19, and I have a really big head, you guys, so my circumference was 22, I believe. But that should be a good way to make your headband fit. Okay, so to close our headband, we're going to get the two ends together, and I am going to slip stitch the two ends together to close. So just try to make a slip stitch evenly all the way across. So go through both of those two ends so you can close it. Okay, so here I'm making the last slip stitch to close, and that's going to be the inside of our headband. Okay, so now I'm going to chain one and turn my work to the right side. Okay, so we're almost done. We're going to do the last step, and we are going to make a single crochet evenly all the way across, or not evenly, in every other stitch. So I'm gonna place my single crochet right here. That will be my first single crochet, and then after that I'm going to make a single crochet in every ridge right here. So we're gonna place a single crochet there, then we're gonna skip to the next one right there, right on top of that stitch, and then we're going to skip to the next one, and we're going to be doing that all the way around. Okay, so like you can see, I'm not placing the single crochets in between these stitches here. So right in the middle of those, I'm not placing the single crochet. I'm placing it on top of the ridge stitches, if that makes sense. So we're going to do that all the way around until we reach till the beginning of where we started our single crochet, and we will be done, you guys. Okay, so here I'm at the end of my last single crochet, and I'm just going to slip stitch to the very first single crochet that I made, and that's going to close my headband. And after this, just tie off your end, cut the yarn, and weave in the ends to your project. And I like to tie any ends that I have. I tie them together and I just weave it on the back so you can't tell. So yeah, you guys, this is pretty much it. I hope you liked the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what else you would like to see on my channel. And don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you make this project. I would be happy to share it with my followers. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.